What's up guys, this is Sunny back with another video. Today real quick I want to share with you guys one of the product I received from a brand called EKSA. So EKSA was nice enough to send one of their cheap budget gaming headset. You can pick up this headset for around $35. Now exact model we have here, EKSA E900. Now I've been using this headset for almost 3 days now, playing games like Apex Legends, Overwatch, and I was really impressed. Especially like when you're playing a multiplayer game, you need to hear like if anyone around you, like you will hear the footstep and everything. So I was really impressed. And another thing I liked about this gaming headset, you can detach the microphone. Now most of the gaming headset I have here in my studio, I can detach the microphone, and most of these are budget gaming headsets. So I was really impressed with this option. So if you're planning on using this headset for just like, let's say listening to music, movies, you can just detach the microphone, and whenever you are playing game or using Skype, then you can attach the microphone. Also this gaming headset does work with Nintendo, Xbox, PS4. Also this headset does come with 50mm drivers, so your sound quality should be good, and the build quality is not all that bad either. So let's not waste any more time and let's do a quick unboxing and let's show you guys what this thing comes with. Alright, so let me just do a quick unboxing for you guys so you guys can see what you get with this $35 gaming headset. Now after you open the box, you'll find like a Ziploc bag with your manual, and then your microphone, pop filter, and then a 3.5 Y cable right here. So let me just open and show you guys. I'm really surprised with the build quality. You know, it doesn't feel cheap, it doesn't feel light. It's pretty good. Alright, and there is a pop filter there also. So you guys can see here, small pop filter right here. Let me just this pop filter. All right, come on. All right, so you got the pop filter with the detachable microphone. This is really cool, guys. I really like this option. And here we have 3.5 Y cable right here. Okay. And we have the user manual right here. Register on official website, and then you will get up to 2 years warranty. So that's really cool. All right, so now this headset does come with a nice pouch, so you can carry with you wherever you go. Looks like leather, but I think more like a pleather. It's not a leather, but and there's EKSA brand there, as you guys can see here. Now let me pull the headset out. Okay. Now you don't have to worry about the cable, guys. This cable is really long. Like this, like what, 6 feet long. So you don't have to worry. So first thing, let me show you guys. You guys can see here, there's a controller on the cable right here. So basically you have your microphone mute option here. So let's say this, you're gaming and you want to mute yourself, like you got a phone call or something, so you can easily just mute yourself. Okay, and then there is a volume rocker also on the side. And here is the headset. I really like the red and black color scheme here. So I think the red and black themes look really nice. Now I know you guys might be thinking this part right here, LED. No, just paint, not LED. This frame right here is metal, so this is not plastic, so the build quality is pretty good. Okay, you guys can see here. You can extend it. Okay. And then if we look at the ear cups not all that soft, but you will have like tight fit, you know. So this headset doesn't really have any controller on the headset. Only thing you have the port for the 3.5 for the microphone right here, and that's about it. So you guys can see I have the microphone right here. Simply just that's it. Okay, so if you're gaming, if you're using Skype, whatever you are doing, you can connect this microphone. And if you're not gaming and you just want to use for like regular music stuff, then you can just take it off and that's it. The headband is pretty good also. Okay, not bad, guys. You guys can see from the side. And the fitment is really good. You know, it's not like loose or anything. Like, it's not gonna come off. And if you don't want the microphone, you can just detach it. So this option is really, really good. Not bad. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, this $35 gaming headset performed really well and also looks good same time. I wanted to go a little bit more in depth, but as you guys know right now, all this thing going on and I don't really have that much time. So this video was like quick overview. I wouldn't even call this video like a review, like a quick overview, just so I can share with you guys this $35 beautiful gaming headset. Now, do I recommend this headset? Of course I do, because for the price, the build quality, sound quality, and also the 50mm driver, you literally can hear everything while you gaming. Like you can hear every footstep. Like if someone coming from the back or the side, you know, because you can hear everything. Fitment is pretty good also. Tight, not loose at all, and it's not too big, like at least for my head, because my head is not all that big. So yeah guys, let me know what do you guys think. Leave your comment in the comment section, and also there will be a link in the video description, Amazon link, so you guys can check out. And see you guys next one. Peace.